Okay, so first slide the given data is all the problem. Okay, so what are the data are given? So first one is rack angle. So alpha equal to how much angle is given? 15 given. Next,
cutting speed
cutting speed. D equal to
100 meter per minute
100 meter per minute. So convert this into
seconds.
seconds. Okay, so when we are dividing by 60, we will get
1.67
1.67 meter per seconds. Okay, next,
feet.
feed.
Hmm.
Okay, feed is nothing but here. Okay, feed is nothing but
0.
uncut chip thickness T1. Okay, uncut chip thickness feed
0.
T1 is equal to
2 mm.
2 mm. Okay, next,
Cutting force
cutting force FC is equal to
180 Newton.
180 Newton. Cutting force F suffix C. Okay, next,
Feed force
feed force. Feed force is nothing but tangential force. Okay, feed force is nothing but tangential force. How much is given?
16 Newton.
16 Newton. Okay, next,
Chip thickness
chip thickness. Chip thickness is T2. T2 equal to
0.3 mm.
0.3
3 mm.
mm. Okay, so find what are the data you have to find here.
Shear angle,
So first one is shear angle pi you have to find. Second one is
coefficient of
mu,
friction,
coefficient of friction. Third one is
cutting power,
cutting power. Power you have to calculate. Fourth one
velocity, chip velocity,
chip velocity. Okay, so V suffix C, chip velocity. And then fifth one
shear force,
shear force. F suffix S. Okay, shear force. And then last one. So these are the things you have to calculate. Okay, so by using formula you have to calculate. So first one given is pi. So in order to calculate pi, you have to take the formula tan pi equal to cos alpha divided by 1 minus r sin alpha. Okay, using this formula you have to calculate. Okay, so to calculate r, you have to take t1 by t2.
0.6,
Okay, t1 by t2. So 0.t1 is given here as how much is given? t1 is 0.2 mm. Okay, so 0.2 divided by 0.3, which is equal to how much? Use calculator. 0.2 by 0.3. What is the value?
0.67,
0.67. Okay, so here you got r. So substitute r instead of r, substitute 0.6r. Instead of alpha, substitute 15 degree. So you will get pi equal to tan inverse of one value. You will get pi is equal to how much value?
37.09
37.09 degrees. Okay, so using this formula you have to calculate shear force. Sorry, shear angle. Okay. So after finding shear angle, so what is coefficient of friction? So formula for coefficient of friction is mu is equal to F by M. Okay, mu equal to F by M. So for F, you have to use the formula F is equal to mu friction force. Okay, friction force F is equal to Fc plus Ft cos alpha. So this is for F and then N. N only use the formula differentiation of this. Fc sin alpha if you differentiate you will get cos alpha and then minus Ft differentiation of cos alpha minus sin alpha. So if you substitute mu equal to F by N, so all the values are known. Fc 180 Newton, alpha 15 degrees, again Ft 16 Newton, alpha 15 degrees. So all the values are known. If you substitute, you will get mu equal to
0.66.
0.66. Okay, so you will get mu. Okay, after calculating mu, you have to calculate power. So power is nothing but formula Hc into
V,
cutting velocity. Cutting force into cutting velocity. Okay, Fc is cutting force. V is cutting velocity. So here the cutting velocity given 1.67, cutting force also given 180. So what you will get?
180, 1.67.
The final answer
300.6.
300.6 watts.
okay, what is it? Now both the values are known. 180 into
1.67.
1.67 you will get 300. Okay, next chip flow velocity. Okay, chip flow velocity, what is the formula? R into
V.
Velocity.
cutting velocity. R already you have found out. R is equal to 0.67 and then
Into
cutting
1.67.
velocity already known 1.67. So if you multiply what you will get?
1.12
1.12 units
meter by second.
meter per second. Okay. Next is shear force formula. Okay. To calculate shear force, you have to use the formula Fs is equal to so use this formula. Okay. So Fs is equal to Fc cos pi minus Ft sin pi. Okay. So pi Fc known 180 Newton, pi you have found out now here. So pi 37 degree. Okay, you substitute 37 degree and then here Ft 16 Newton, again pi will be same 37 degree. So what you will get? Fs is equal to
106.278.
106.27 unit Newton. Okay, 4 Newton. Okay. Okay, take down next problem. A carbide tool. A carbide tool of designation. A carbide tool. A carbide tool. Tool TOL of designation. Of designation 0. Of designation 0, 10, 5, 8, 90, 1 is used to turn workpiece of diameter 50 mm. Is used to turn a workpiece of diameter 50 mm. Of diameter 50 mm. With speed, with cutting speed 240 meter per minute. With cutting speed 240 meter per minute. And feed force and feed, sorry, not feed force, feed and feed 0.25 mm per revolution and feed 0.25 mm per revolution. So cutting speed 240 meter per minute and feed 0.25 mm per revolution. Cutting force 180 Newton. Cutting force 180 Newton. Feed force 100 Newton. Chip thickness 0.32 mm. Chip thickness 0.32 mm. Calculate shear angle, shear force, normal force acting on shear plane, friction force, coefficient of friction, friction angle and chip flow velocity. Okay, right here given data. Okay. Alpha right angle, how much is given?
10 degree.
10 degrees.
Diameter.
Diameter
50 mm.
Okay, so right here given data, first right angle 10 degrees and then diameter of the raw material
50 mm.
50 mm. Next
Velocity.
velocity, cutting velocity, how much is given?
240 meter by
Meter per
minutes.
minute. So convert it to
Second.
meter per second. So when you are dividing by 60, you will get 4 meter per second. Okay, cutting velocity. Next
T1.
T1. T1 100 thickness or feet. So how much is given?
0.25 mm.
25 mm per revolution. Okay. Next
T2.
T2 chip thickness
0.32 mm.
32
mm.
mm. Okay. Next
Cutting force
cutting force F suffix C. Cutting force F suffix C. How much?
100 Newton.
100 and
New
100
100 Newton.
100 Newton. Okay. Next
Need Newton, sir.
so FC cutting force 180 Newton. Next
Cutting speed.
cutting speed. We already given 240 meter per minute. So convert divided by 60 will get 4 meter per second. Next find what are the data you have to find. Find first one
Shear angle.
shear angle. Shear angle is
Alpha.
5. Okay, shear angle 5. Next
Shear force.
submission 2. Find
Shear force.
shear force F suffix S and then
Normal force acting on the shear plane. F side.
normal force acting on the shear plane F suffix N and then
Friction force.
friction force and then friction force capital F and then last one
Coefficient of friction.
coefficient of friction mu. Okay.
Friction angle.
Friction angle,
Tip flow velocity.
friction angle, beta and the chip flow velocity P suffix C. So these are the data you have to find. Okay. So first to calculate pi you have to take this formula tan pi is equal to cos alpha divided by 1 minus r sin alpha. So before that you have to calculate r. So r is equal to d1 by d2. So what you will get? What answer you got?
0.718.
0.781. Okay, so substitute r here, alpha 10 degree. So what you will get? Pi equal to how much angle?
41.673.
41.673 degrees. Okay, so this is the shear angle. Okay, so first find the shear angle here. So shear angle is equal to 41.673 degrees. Okay. Next calculate shear force. Shear force formula Fs is equal to Fc cos pi minus Ft sin pi. So pi also know, Fc also know, Ft also know. So if you substitute, so what you are getting here? Fs shear force
68.
how much Newton?
67.96 Newton.
67.96 Newton. Okay. Next 67.96 Newton. Next F suffix n. So F suffix n formula Fn is equal to Fc
Cos
sin Fc sin pi plus Ft cos pi. Okay, if you substitute what you will get? Fn is equal to
194.373 Newton.
373 Newton. So this is normal force. Okay. So normal force is 194.373 Newton. Next friction force. Formula already given. Fc sin alpha plus Ft cos alpha. How much you will get?
129.73 Newton.
73 Newton. Okay. 129.73 Newton. Next mu coefficient of friction F is mu equal to F by n. F already you have calculated. So n you have to calculate. N is Fc cos alpha minus Ft sin alpha. So what you will get?
0.811.
Fc value, n value. So if you substitute what you will get? Mu, what is the answer? 0.811.
811.
Okay, and then friction angle beta. What is the answer here? Beta
39.05.
39.05.
0.05.
0.5. Okay, and then cutting velocity R into V, chip flow velocity, what is the answer here?
3.124
3.124 meter per second.
seconds.
Okay, so by using this formula you can calculate this. Okay.
Okay.